But Your Excellency, 2 Saturdays ago, I represented Mr. President at the swearing-in ceremony of the new president of the Sao Tome and Principe Republic. As I sat in that well-appointed hall and took in the solemn grandeur of the oath-taking of the new democratically elected president, I reflected. Here was a country whose GDP is $472 million, $472 million. And it's a nation. It has 1 vote in the United Nations just as we have. Ekiti State has a GDP of $2.8 billion US, 5 times the size of the GDP of the nation of Sao Tome and Principe. But it's not just Sao Tome and Principe. Ekiti's GDP is higher than that of the nation of Gambia. Gambia has a GDP of $1.9 billion US, and also a higher GDP than that of Cape Verde, with a GDP of $1.7 billion. Or Seychelles, the lovely tourist destination, which has just $1.1 billion in GDP. Ekiti's GDP is about the same as the GDP of Liberia, which just has $2.95 billion. So all of these, so the Nigerian subnational, and we're talking of Ekiti State now. We're not even talking about Lagos. So the Nigerian subnational is indeed a peculiar animal. Even a relatively small state like Ekiti State, small in terms of population in particular, and even allocations from federal revenue, has a bigger economy than many African nations. So the hopefully useful point to be made here is that there has to be a collective change of mind, a collective change of mindset. Thinking differently. There is a need for a subnational to think like a sovereign state. You have a bigger GDP and even more revenues than many nations.